Welcome back to Coin Spyder, the channel where ordinary coins turn into extraordinary stories. Today's video is going to shock you because we are talking about a coin that almost every Malaysian has seen. A coin so small that most people never notice it. But a rare version of this same coin has crossed 47,900 ringgit in collectors' circles. Yes, you heard that right. A tiny 5 sen 2011 coin, worth more than a brand new iPhone, a brand new bike, and even more than some people earn in an entire month. So stay with me till the very end, because if you have this coin, your life might change today. Let's begin. Background and DSIG. The Malaysia 5 sen 2011 coin is from the third series issued by Bank Negara Malaysia. On the front, you will see the beautiful bunga raya, the national flower. On the back, something very unique, a gasing, the traditional Malaysian spinning top. That spinning top isn't just a design, it represents culture, childhood memories, and traditional competitions. But the real magic isn't in the design. It's in the extremely rare variations that happen during minting. Now imagine this. You open your drawer, you find an old purse. Inside it, a 5 sen coin from 2011. Just a normal tiny coin, right? But what if I told you that inside Malaysia, Singapore, Europe, and private collectors groups, certain rare 2011 5 sen coins have sold for 47,900 ringgit plus? And what if you might be holding one without even knowing? This is where things get exciting, because today I will show you exactly what to look for, exactly how much rare pieces have sold for, and where you can auction your coin for real buyers, not scams. Stay with me because this is just getting started. The hidden story behind ordinary coins. Most people look at a small coin and see nothing more than a piece of metal meant for daily transactions. But behind every coin lies a hidden story that stretches across history, culture, and the people who once held it. The 5 sen 2011 coin is no different. Millions of Malaysians used it without ever realizing that a tiny percentage of these coins hold extraordinary value. This contrast between something extremely common and something incredibly rare is exactly what makes the world of numismatics so fascinating, because the more ordinary an object appears, the more unbelievable its rare versions become. And that is where the excitement truly begins. How rare errors transform a simple coin into treasure. When coins are minted, thousands are produced every minute, and even the most advanced machines can make mistakes. These errors might be invisible to the general public, but to collectors, they are like diamonds in the rough. A slight misalignment, a tiny crack, a missing detail, or an unusual metal imprint can turn a coin into a collectible masterpiece. This is exactly why certain 5 sen 2011 coins have reached sky-high values. The error doesn't just make the coin different, it makes it one of a kind. And in the world of collectors, rarity is everything. Some of these accidental mint flaws are so unusual that collectors compete fiercely, pushing prices to unbelievable levels. The value that drives collectors. Crazy collectors aren't only buying metal, they're buying emotion, nostalgia, and the story attached to the coin. When a collector sees a 2011 5 sen piece with a rare feature, they don't just see value, they see a moment in time that can never be recreated. The deeper the emotional connection, the higher the bidding goes. Many collectors remember using this spinning top gasing design during their childhood years, making the coin even more meaningful. This emotional attachment is one of the biggest reasons why rare pieces get such strong reactions and strong prices. The hunt, the discovery, and the excitement create a powerful emotional bond. Why the 5 sen 2011 coin continues to rise in popularity. Over the past few years, numismatic interest in Southeast Asia has exploded. Malaysians, Singaporeans, and even international collectors are now actively searching for rare Malaysian coins, especially those with unique cultural designs. The 5 sen 2011 coin has become one of the most discussed pieces because it appears so simple yet hides so much potential. Social media groups, online markets, and auction platforms are filled with collectors hunting for unusual variations of this coin. As demand rises, the value of rare pieces rises even higher, and this trend is expected to continue. This is why checking your 2011 5-cent coins is more important now than ever before. Why some coins are worth 47,900 ringgit, plus let me be clear, not every 5-cent 2011 coin is worth 47,900 ringgit. Only certain rare conditions and rare errors reach that level. And I must stay honest because YouTube does not allow misleading claims. So here are the real reasons why some coins explode in value. 1. Major mint errors. These are mistakes made inside the minting machine. Collectors love mistakes because they are rare. Examples include off-center strike, broad strike, double strike, wrong planche, clipped planche, rotated die crack through the gassing design, missing part of the rim, extra metal lumps. One dramatic error alone can push the price above 47,900 ringgit in the right auction. 2. Exceptional condition. If your coin looks brand new, shining sharp edges, no scratches, it can get a high grading score like MS66, MS67, MS68. A coin with a high grade becomes extremely valuable because only a few exist in perfect condition. 3. Rare die varieties. Some 2011 coins were struck with slightly different dies, creating rare variants like thick rim variety, double rim variety, ghost doubling on numbers, misaligned gassing design, weak strike errors. Collectors chase these aggressively because they are 1 in 10,000 types. These are the pieces people have paid 47,900 ringgit plus for, not the regular ones. Right now, you might be holding a coin in your hand. Maybe it's sitting on your table. Maybe it's in your wallet. Maybe it's in your piggy bank. And imagine, what if that small piece of metal could bring joy, surprise, or hope to your life? What if you are one of the lucky ones? Sometimes destiny hides in the smallest objects. Sometimes your fortune is already in your home. You just haven't noticed it yet. This is why coin collecting is magical. This is why Coin Spyder exists. How to check your own coin. Now let's talk about the practical part. Take your coin and check these things. Step 1. Confirm the year. It must say 2011. Step 2. Confirm the design backside should show. Check mark gassing, spinning top. Check mark motion lines around it. Step 3. Check for rare errors. Hold the coin under light and rotate it slowly. Look for cracks, extra bumps, missing sections, letter doubling off center strike, abnormally wide rim, any strange shape or pattern. If something looks unusual, do not spend that coin. Step 4. Check condition. The more shiny, the more valuable. If it looks almost untouched, you may have a very valuable piece. Where auctions happen in Malaysia. If your coin has something rare, here are the trusted auction places in Malaysia. Offline, Chuna physical auctions, MNP auctioneers, Bank Negara Malaysia, Numismatic Events, Malaysia, Numismatic Society, MNS, Auctions, Trigon Auction Malaysia. These are places where real collectors compete, and rare coins reach 10,000 ringgit, 20,000 ringgit, even 47,900 ringgit. Plus online platforms, Facebook numismatic groups, eBay Malaysia, Carousel, Malaysia, Singapore collector groups nearby. But be careful, always deal with trusted people, not random buyers. Join the Coin Spyder community. Now here's the best part. I have created a Facebook page just for you. The name is Coin Spyder. Follow me there. Send me clear pictures of your coins. I personally check them and tell you the value. Absolutely free. If your coin looks special, I will guide you. Where to sell, how to auction, whom to trust, what price you should expect. You are never alone. Coin Spyder is your family now. Before you leave this video, do one thing. Look at your coins again, because you never know. A small 5-cent piece might hold a story worth 47,900 ringgit. Plus, maybe it's already in your home. Maybe it's waiting to be discovered. Now it's your turn. Comment below how many 5-cent coins you have. Like this video so more people can discover their hidden treasure. Share this video with your friends. Someone may be holding a fortune. And most importantly, subscribe to Coin Spyder, because our family is growing, our knowledge is growing, and your future discoveries are just beginning. This is Coin Spyder, where every coin matters, where every viewer is important, and where every story can become valuable. See you in the next video. Take care, Hentiata, and keep hunting.